Ready to update macOS on your Mac? Here's how to get the latest features and security enhancements as soon as they're available. Before you start, make sure your Mac is plugged into power and connected to the internet. It's also a good idea to back up your Mac using Time Machine. Now let's get to it. Click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click System Settings. And click Software Update from General Settings. With automatic updates turned on, your Mac will download and install updates overnight as long as it's plugged into power and connected to the internet. This could include security updates. When you're ready, click Update Now to get any available macOS updates for your device. You might be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions in order to continue. Enter your administrator password, which is the password you use to log into your Mac. Then click OK. During the installation process, an Apple logo and a progress bar might appear on your screen. The installation could take a little while to complete. Some Mac computers might restart or the screen could dim. Make sure to leave your Mac alone while the installation completes. When the update is done, just log back in and continue using your Mac. And that's it. Now you know how to keep macOS up to date. Some sequences in this video were shortened.